Okay, so in the last episode, we talked about greetings. Now let's say the conversation has started. What's next? You gotta keep it flowing, right?
Yeah. Otherwise, it's like, hey, how's it going? Good. Awkward silence.
Exactly. So here's a basic one we all know. What do you do? Like asking about their job. It's polite, but maybe a little too formal.
Let's spice that up. Try. So, what keeps you busy these days? What's your day-to-day like? Or the classic, you working on anything cool?
Ooh, I love that. What keeps you busy? It sounds friendly and curious, not nosy.
And when you want to sound chill, say, so, what do you do for fun? It shifts the vibe, makes it feel relaxed, not like a job interview.
And if you want to really connect, ask, what's something you've been into lately? Like a hobby, a show, anything.
Exactly. Modern English is about connection, not just questions. And don't forget to react too. Say stuff like, oh, that's awesome. No way, I've been into that too. Tell me more.
So the old way, what do you do? The modern, friendly way, what keeps you busy? Or what do you do for fun?
And the follow-up magic words, tell me more. Boom. Conversation saved.
So true. Let's all practice not being awkward.
Next time, we'll tackle how to exit a conversation without sounding rude. Yup, even good chats gotta end sometime.